Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our 2014 Malibu 247 LSV. This boat is available at our store in Rogers. As you can see here, it's got the nice big sports tower, the white, the red down the middle, and the white bottom. As we move here to the stern, got a big platform here to get in and out of the water. This does have the surf gate and power wedge. This boat will be great for all your water activities on the lakes here in Minnesota. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside this 2014 Malibu 247 LSV. As you can see here, we have a couple of options here for tow points up here in the tower and then towards the stern of the boat. Nice big tower. You've got a couple sets of speakers on either side. This does have carpeting, flooring, and then storage around this seating. It's a great entertainment space for your friends and your family to be on the lakes here in Minnesota. At the helm seat here, got all your controls on the dash, and then we do have a bow filler cushion up here. This is available at our store in Rogers, Minnesota. Give us a call, shoot us an email, walk in. We'd love to show you this boat. Thanks.